Hey guys, today I'm just making an Asian stir fry. So I'm just using an array of vegetables, just everything that I'm trying to get rid of right now. And then I'm gonna add some ground chicken and then this lettuce wrap sauce. I found it in the Asian section of the grocery store. I usually see it in every grocery store I go to, So I just chopped up all my vegetables. So now I'm just gonna spray the pan and then put the vegetables in to cook. And after a little bit, I'll add the chicken and then the sauce. So now the stir fry is all finished. I'm gonna put it on a little bed of lettuce. Just a little bit. Very messy. Great. And then I'm gonna put some cilantro on top. And then some peanuts. And again, presentation, not the best, but there you have it.